Coming up next, it's a welterweight showcase between Donald "Cowboy" Cerrone and one of the best lightweights in the world, Smooth Benson Henderson. A black belt in Taekwondo and Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, Smooth Benson Henderson enjoyed a nearly 18-month reign as UFC lightweight champion, defending his title on 3 occasions. One of the biggest and most powerful fighters at 155, Benson Henderson will look to define the fight tonight.
Benson Henderson is growing and developing every time we see him in the octagon. He has incredible cardio, keeps a fantastic pace, and has excellent striking to go with it.
Benson Henderson enters the octagon ready to do battle. Donald "Cowboy" Cerrone, who has won the majority of his fights by submission. But for those who have watched Donald Cerrone fight during his career, we know how dangerous he is on his feet. His kicks are lethal. He puts together great combinations, and that often has led him to the submission finish. They call him the Cowboy, Donald Cerrone.
Donald Cerrone is a well-rounded fighter with great submissions and great Muay Thai. He's extremely difficult to finish, a lot of heart, great chin, and he fights very well in the later rounds.
Donald Cerrone set to fight tonight here inside the MGM Grand Garden Arena. Our tale of the tape for this welterweight fight. Both fighters are 32. Cerrone will have a 3-inch reach advantage. Once again, here's the veteran voice of the octagon, Bruce Buffer.
Ladies and gentlemen, this fight is 3 rounds of the UFC welterweight division. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, a wrestler holding a professional record of 23 wins, 5 losses. He stands 5 feet 9 inches tall, weighing in at 170 pounds. Fighting out of Glendale, Arizona, USA, Smooth Benson Henderson! And now introducing his opponent, fighting out of the red corner, a mixed martial artist holding a professional record of 31 wins, 7 losses, and 1 no contest. He stands 6 feet 1 inch tall, weighing in at 170 pounds. Fighting out of Albuquerque, New Mexico, Donald "Cowboy" Cerrone. And the action begins. Our referee in charge of the octagon is Dan Mergliata.
Dan Mergliata, our referee.
You ready?
Mike Goldberg, Joe Rogan. We are set for the start of round number 1. Fight scheduled for 3 5-minute rounds. White trunks for Henderson, black trunks for Cerrone.
One thing to look out for from Donald Cerrone is always his use of the elbow. Donald Cerrone has nasty elbow technique. His Muay Thai is amongst the best in the world at 155 pounds.
Joe, he continues to put together great combinations. Henderson with a good straight right.
These guys are going at it here right away, trading blows.
Cerrone with a punch that connects. Punishing roundhouse kick. Good connection with the straight by Cerrone. Oh, he completes the suplex.
Wrestling right there. Trying to take the back here. He's got a clinch.
And he pulls away.
Nice leg kick.
Cerrone with a good jab. Joe, his jab, very effective in the fight. That head kick hurt him.
Good combination. submission. Beautiful right hand.
Cerrone gets caught by the right kick.
Big left hand.
Ton of quickness possessed by both of these men.
Good jab.
Nice combos.
Under 2 minutes now.
Cerrone with a good connection. He's in a better position here with the tie clinch. He's got the double underhooks.
And separate.
Tried to time a straight right.
Head kick.
Nice jab.
Oh, that's a big left.
Oh! What an exchange! Look at this, takedown! Oh, he's back to his feet.
The flying knee. You can hear Greg Jackson in the corner of Donald Cerrone telling him to shoot, to go for the takedown.
Doing an excellent job of mixing up his strikes here.
Wow!
Powerful left hand. He's out. Unbelievable. Look at this. Beautiful knockout victory right as the round was ending.
Let's check out the action on our fight replay.
And let's take a look at the replay. This is the shot that drops him. Perfect technique. He's clearly hurt badly here. Let's take a look at it one more time. Here's the knockdown. Vicious strike. Great angle here. And he's out.
With the official decision, here is Bruce Buffer.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Dan Mergliata has called a stop to this contest at 4 minutes, 52 seconds of the very first round. Declaring the winner by knockout, Henderson.
Benson Henderson wins by knockout.